What's up, everyone? Finally back working on the car. Today we're gonna try to fix this front bumper issue that I have. I don't know if I showed anyone, but when I went to Puerto Rico, my car was parked outside on the street and somebody backed in right here and now it's all dented. But I think we're gonna try to pop it out right now. And then we also got new speakers because my right one was shot and it's horrible. So we're gonna try to install those, and it's getting pretty late and we don't really have light outside. We're gonna try to do the best we can. No light. No light. Okay, I'm gonna try this way. This is on. Yo, got light! Alright, I'm gonna start by taking off my door panels. And yeah, we'll start with the speakers first. So 3, 2, 1. Is it recording now? This lighting is bad. Oh, that's better. What up, dudes? We're back with the 350 and the Miata and Ali. Back from Puerto Rico a long time ago, but we were stuck doing the Puerto Rico videos because we couldn't let all that footage go to waste. But now we're back working on the car. While I was gone, there's a couple things that went wrong with my car. It was parked on the street and somebody decided to back in, made a big ding right here. And then one of my speakers are shot, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna change the door speakers. We got Rockford Fosgate. Was that Rockford Fosgate speakers? They're like 35 bucks on Amazon, and apparently they're really good. And they make whose speakers? They make Super.
No, they're on the Evo. They're like the Evo's premium speakers.
I don't know. Apparently they're really good. We're gonna test it out. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, we're gonna.
The lighting is pretty bad.
Oh, there's something in here. Alright, I need a flat one. What kind of stabilizer is that?
Look at this screwdriver. It's the best. It's your best friend.
Alright. That aside.
Like you pull the bottom and then you lift it up. If I remember correctly. Yeah, now lift it up. There's some clips on the bottom still that you have to. Yeah. On the back side by the speaker. Don't let it fall because there's like cables.
Oh.
What?
Apparently it does.
Okay, cool.
Alright.
Could you remove that thing, or do we need to? It looks like
this is easy. I know this.
Yeah, you should know this.
Then what happened?
And then we spent
There
like.
we go.
Awesome. Cool. So, this is the shit factory speaker, and we're gonna replace it with. What are we replacing it with? Where are the speakers that you got?
Oh, they're not.
Who got you these speakers?
Huh?
Who got you these speakers?
Amazon.
Yeah.
They just gave it to me.
Interesting. Quite nice of them.
Amazon? Yeah, I love Amazon. Yeah.
These are some quality
Rockford Fosgate
speakers.
Amazon fulfillment service. Alright. So we didn't open this before.
What's it?
Bunch of screws. Wait, let me just put on the floor.
Okay.
I have no idea what these are.
Those are the cables for the speakers. Okay, so before you drop it, pull the speaker out from the side. From inside. The other. Yeah. Just.
Okay then.
Okay. And that is how you unbox.
Okay.
Nice.
This should fit. What is it? 6.5, right?
Yeah, there's 6.5 speakers, inch speakers. Yeah. We don't have to put this thing on.
No. Does this go like outside?
Yeah, it's supposed to like go on the like there, but you don't need it. Yeah, you don't need it. You don't need. It doesn't. That's oval.
That's better.
Yeah, it's like
flush. This is something.
Exactly. On the speaker, we have this connector and that connector, and they give us cables on the floor there
for this connector and that connector.
Exactly.
I don't know which one's which.
No. So actually, you see how one is smaller than, there you go, now you can see it. One's smaller than the other, and the tips that they give are different sizes also, and I'm sorry this is blurry, but pretty much you just, small to small, large to large, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to do it now because I don't want to bend them, but alright, so first thing you want to do is, before you even touch that speaker, you should take the old one off.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Ready?
You should unclip it first.
Yeah.
Thanks, though. You want a pimped out ride? Pimp my ride. You should make it straight. Right. There's a security guard. Hello. I don't know. Hey. Yeah, we're just filming a YouTube video. Is it alright if we're just... Is it okay if we're just here? We're not like doing anything illegal.
What are you trying to do?
We're doing a YouTube video, how to install speakers on a car. And this area seemed a little quiet compared to like elsewhere.
I mean, it's at your own risk. There's a security camera there, and it's private property. So, at the very most, I mean...
If someone says get out, we'll get out, but...
Well, I'm the security that usually does it.
I mean, like, if we're in the way of anything, we don't mind getting out.
Yeah, as long as it's 10 minutes or less, that's it. I mean, just don't be here for too long, because we also have the cop cars patrolling right around here as well.
Okay.
So, if not me, police cars will also let you know. All right?
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Welcome.
Little update. Little update. I think the right side of the door, the speaker wiring is messed up because we connected it and it's not working. And we tried with the multimeter to see if we get any volts, but we're not. Where's the good speaker? Yeah, no, I'm not supposed to. But we're not getting any volts as of now. So we're gonna see if that side is the same problem, which it shouldn't be because it works. But we're gonna try to figure something out, and you guys are gonna watch or not watch because we might not record it or whatever. There's probably more noise than me talking, but this is attempt number 3. It's the speaker install. Sorry, I'm kind of sick. My voice sounds like weird. But yeah, we're gonna we got the driver's side done, but as you saw in the video that the security came and they cut us off, so we couldn't do the other side, and it's been like a couple weeks now. So we're gonna get the passenger side done, and then I'll have good speakers. At least, I mean, the passenger side doesn't work at all. Like, there's no power, the wiring and everything is totally messed up. The previous owner did something back there, like behind the screen, and the wiring is horrible. So we're gonna get that done, and then after install the speaker and the bolts and everything, it's fine and works. Okay, so I took everything out as you saw. This is what we're left with, and that's a horrible wiring job as far as I understand, and I don't know much about wiring, but that just looks terrible. But we hopefully can fix it because everything is like everywhere. Anyways,
there T-taps?
Wiring done. We're gonna put everything back together and then hook up the speaker and hope everything is good and it works. So enjoy this time lapse. I know it's boring, but enjoy. Okay, wiring done. Put everything back together. Now we're gonna take off the door panel and put the new speaker on and see if everything works. I hope everything works. If not, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. We'll test everything. And everything is fine, it works. The speakers work, so we're good. So now, since these speakers are made for, I mean not specifically made for this car, I have to drill in the holes.
We're gonna do a sound test now. Sort of.
Oh.
Success.
It's working. Alright. Everything is on. Alright, for all those people that are gonna comment right now saying you smack your car and you don't take good care of it, do yourself a favor
Unsubscribe.
and leave. This is how you put this on.
No, you know what'd be funny? If your subscribers...
My subscribers go down like that. And it actually affects me because I'm not like...
So, you guys, let's do a challenge.
No!
If you can unsubscribe from this video.
Okay, we're done with the install. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. That's it for the speaker install. Now both my speakers work. And I read online with like a bunch of people told me that, not told me, but told the world that these there's speakers behind the seats on the 350, and they said those are literally a waste of time to change. I mean, waste of time and money to change because they don't really make a big difference. I don't know if I'll get a sub or something. I'm not really looking to now because priorities. I gotta get other stuff first. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. There's definitely more stuff coming on the 350. Just wait on it, like I'm waiting on the money and the parts. But yeah, stay tuned for next time. When you got a family, but drifting is life, shred 'em tires, minivan. I see you.